Hey there, landlords. Owning property is rewarding, but maintenance is key to keeping your investment in top shape and your tenants happy. Let's dive into your essential maintenance checklist. First up, HVAC system inspection. Check those air filters, thermostat settings, ductwork, and condenser coils. Do this semi-annually, ideally before summer and winter, to keep things running smoothly. Next, plumbing system checks. Inspect faucets, pipes, water heaters, and toilets. A quarterly inspection can catch leaks, corrosion, or potential water damage early. Now let's talk electrical system audits. Look at outlets, breaker panels, lighting, and wiring. An annual inspection ensures safety and reduces fire hazards. Don't forget exterior and safety features. Inspect roofs, gutters, exterior walls, and safety systems like fire alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. This keeps your property structurally sound and compliant with safety regulations. Set a maintenance schedule to stay on top of it all. For example, quarterly plumbing checks, common area cleaning, and fire alarm testing. Semi-annually, do HVAC inspections, pest control, and gutter cleaning. Annually, check the electrical system, roof and window caulking. Automate reminders with property management software or digital calendars. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Document your findings from each inspection. If an HVAC unit is inefficient, log it and prioritize its repair or replacement. Address issues promptly and follow up to ensure repairs are effective. Educate your tenants on preventive practices. Share tips like keeping drains clear, reporting leaks early, and changing smoke detector batteries. Educated tenants help maintain the property and report issues sooner. Make sure they know emergency protocols too. Leverage property management software to track maintenance requests, schedule inspections, and automate rent collection. Create an emergency fund for unexpected repairs, ensuring you're always prepared. And build relationships with reliable vendors for speedy and quality service. Implementing these best practices maximizes tenant satisfaction, reduces turnover, and maintains your property's value. Stay proactive, keep communication clear, and manage finances efficiently for long-term profitability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on effective property management.